Hello guys, namaskar. Welcome to Jazz Productions. Here I give updates about top 5. So let's take it today's top 5. So guys, today I gonna show up you top 5 countries in the world and why. So let's check it. Number 5. Australia. The Australia ranks number 5th place in best countries overall. Australia is the oldest, flattest and driest inhabited continent with the least fertile soils. Indigenous people occupied the land for at least 40,000 years before the British first settlements of 18th century. The population of Australia 2020 estimate over 25 million. The island of Tasmania has the cleanest air in the world. Australia has over 60 separate wine regions. You can't go to Australia and not try the wine. With such a huge variety of wine regions, it's hard to choose between them. Number 4. Germany. Germany has a population of 81 million people and university is free for everyone, even non-Germans. Germany is one of the world's largest car producers like Audi, BMW, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Opel, Porsche, Volkswagen. The first printed book was in German. There are over 300 different kinds of bread in Germany. There are over 1,000 kinds of sausage in Germany. Germany is the second largest consumer of beer. Number 3. Japan. Japan, one of the world's most literate and technically advanced nation. The population of Japan is 126.5 million over. Japan has around 5.5 million vending machines with one on almost every street corner. There are vending machines that sell beer, hot and cold canned coffee, cigarettes, wine, condoms, comic books, hot dogs, light bulbs, bags of rice, toilet paper, umbrellas, fish bait, etc. etc. Japan is 9th most peaceful country in the world. The report makes its determination based on factors like crime rate, poverty, conflict, immigration, and among others. Japan has been in the top 3 of the countries with most car manufacturers since the 1960s, surpassing Germany. Car company of Japan are Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Suzuki, Lexus, Kawasaki, Yamaha. Number 2. Canada. Canada takes about 2/5 of North American continent, making it second largest country in the world after Russia. The country is sparsely populated with most of its 35.5 million residents living within 125 miles of the US border. Canada has the world's longest coastline. If you walk and never stop, not to eat, not to rest your feet, not to get some sleep, it would take 4.5 years to walk the length of Canada coastline. Canada has more oil than you think. It's thick, it's sticky, and Canada has an estimated 176.8 billion recoverable barrels of it. That's right. Crude bitumen, a semi-solid source of petroleum, is available in abundance in Canada oil sands. There's an estimated 249.67 billion accessible barrels of the black stuff in the world, and Canada has about 70.8% of it, 4 times more than Kazakhstan and 6 times more than Russia. Number 1. Switzerland. Switzerland 2020 population is estimated over 86 million people at mid-year according to UN data. Switzerland is one of the most famous producers of chocolate in the world. The Swiss eat more chocolate compared to any other country. Switzerland is one of the world's leading exporters of chocolate. With the Apple Watch becoming trendy and Fitbit on everyone's wrist, Swiss watches are not popular as they once were. But Swiss watches are still leaving this country by the bucket load. Every tourist wants to take home some chocolate, and if they can afford it, a watch too. Would not you love to own a Rolex? The Swiss watch companies are Rolex, Omega, Longines, Tissot, etc. And the Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in Switzerland in 1989. Switzerland is the only country to build an airplane that is powered by solar energy. So these are the top 5 countries in the world. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you like it, then hit the like button, share the video to your friends, and press the subscribe button to watch my latest videos, and click the bell icon to get notification of my latest video. So guys, see you later. Bye, and stay home and stay safe.